taps against the window pane. Grief rides in with no refrain. Empty porch where you once stood, now a ghost in the neighborhood. Footsteps lost in muddy lanes, all that's left are water-stained silent echoes, whispered dreams. Nothing's ever as it seems. Oh, the sadness in the rain washes out my soul's old pain. Every drop a tear unknown. In this heart I walk alone. Gray clouds drape the weeping sky as the world it whispers wide. Lonesome notes on wet cobblestones, counting sorrows in hushed tones. Old guitar in my cold hand, stringing sorrow's finest strands. Melodies of days gone by, like the rain, they always cry. Oh, the sadness in the rain washes out my soul's old pain. Every drop a tear unknown. In this heart I walk alone. Sadness in the rain washes out my soul's old pain. Every drop a tear unknown. In this heart I walk alone.